Hey, Chad Batchelder here at Bannister GM in Vernon. Today I'm showing you our 2017 GMC Sierra Denali heavy duty. So I just did a walk around on the truck. It's actually in really nice shape. There are a couple little marks I want to try and point out to you. Now we do have some heavy smoke going on in the area, so there is some ash and stuff on the vehicle that may look like chips, but it's not. And I may miss some chips as a result. But there is a filled chip right there, up on there, right there. So there are some minor chips on it, on the side here while I'm here. Again, just a couple little marks right there. As we go around, the hood itself actually looked pretty good. A lot of the marks I thought were there were all just dust from the ash, or ash from the fires. The tires, some great tread left on them. Brakes are in good condition. There was a little dent right there. As we go along the side, I didn't really notice much for marks, any side dings, anything like that. The rims are actually looking in great condition. Dust again. On the back tailgate here, actually is looking pretty good. There was a chip right there. The spray and bed liner is from the factory. The bed's been used a little bit, but actually in really nice condition overall. Let's see, there's a few paint stains or marks and stuff like that, but great shape overall. It does have the trailering package on it. As you come around the side here, again, didn't notice much on it. Again, just dust again, sorry about that. Looking really nice overall. When we jump inside here, driver's seat actually in good condition. I didn't notice any rips or tears or stains or holes or anything like that. Now on the back seat, again, same thing, just really good condition overall. Carpeted mats in it. So with it, so 27,554 kilometers on it as we speak. The full navigation, the bells and whistles, your power outlets, your 12 volts, a couple power outlets, your QI charger here, so I won't put my phone too close, otherwise it'll start charging. A couple of USB inside, as well as an additional power outlets, so loads of power everywhere. The exhaust brake on it, power adjustable pedals, memory seats, like I said, the max towing package all built in, your OnStar, just a great condition and shape overall. But yeah, so I just want to take a few minutes and show off this Denali for you. You can give me a shout here at the dealership. And as I mentioned to you, I just started, so I just realized I don't even know my phone number here. So give me 2 seconds. I know we've talked already, so you've got it there, but 250-545-0606. You can reach me again. My name is Chad here at Bannister GM. 250-545-0606. Thanks. We'll talk to you shortly.